China just built a quantum computer. That doesn't need to be frozen. While the West is still cooling chips to near absolute zero, China skipped that step entirely. It's called Hanyuan 2. And it's not just one quantum computer, it's two, working as one. They're calling it the world's first dual core quantum machine. If that sounds like marketing, stick around. There's a catch nobody in the headlines is mentioning. This was announced by China's Academy of Sciences, not some random startup, built in Wuhan. And outlets like Tom's Hardware and the Quantum Insider are already covering it. Here's how it works. Normal quantum computers need fridges colder than outer space. Hanyuan 2 uses floating atoms, cooled by lasers instead. Total power use? Less than 7 kilowatts. Quite less, right? But the real twist is what's inside it. 200 qubits split into two separate cores. They can work together, or one can check the other's work for errors in real time, like having a built in proofreader. And get this, each qubit can hold its state for up to 100 seconds. That's way longer than most quantum systems manage. Sounds incredible. Here's the problem. China hasn't released the actual performance numbers. No error rates, no peer-reviewed paper. Every report traces back to Chinese state media. So, is this real progress or a headline? Even skeptics admit the design is legitimate. Western companies like Kera and Pascal are chasing the exact same approach. China just claimed the first label, and that label matters more than you'd think. Quantum computing isn't just about speed, it's about who breaks encryption first, who simulates new materials first, who gets the military advantage first. Every first claim is a flag planted in a race that's just getting started. Real breakthrough or branding exercise? Either way, China just put a marker down, and the next move belongs to the US. Subscribe, because that response is coming, and we'll be the first to break it down.